Hello here, I am Jakir. In this video, I will show how you can earn really cryptocurrency from the site Ethiopia. Just simple, no short link required, only just fill up the captcha. I will show you the live payment proof also. So if you have interest about earning cryptocurrency, please continue watch the video. Otherwise, you can leave the video. This video is specially for cryptocurrency earning related. So I will provide the link in video description. By the clicking of the link, you will jump to this website and there are available crypto coin, there is Tron coin, Doge coin, Ethereum, Dash coin, Lite coin, and Bitcoin Cash. So I collect my wallet address. So I just copy my Doge coin address and paste here. Okay, and then click login, and I'm not a human. I just click here for check here then. So this also captcha little bit critical but not so difficult. Just wait. Please click on does not repeat. Does not repeat. This one. Click next. Does not repeat. That's it. And there are the some word you need to click them. This one, this one, this one, and finally this one. Complete verify captcha. You need to click the serially. Click here. Okay. So this is my faucet pay account. Last LTC receipt. Now I refresh the page. Instantly payment, no doubt. You can see Ethereum. From the site ethereum.com, and the Doge coin are received. Okay, and after complete the Doge coin, if I click Ethereum, click here. Very simple. So I already pasted my wallet address. Just I click login here. I am not a human. Click here and not repeated this picture and this one. Verify. And this one, this one, this one, and finally this one. Verify captcha. Very simple process. Okay, I'm Satish sent to your faucet pay account. Now back to faucet pay account and click here. This is Satoshi, my referral earning, and this is the 5 Satoshi, my earning. Okay, there are a trick you can earn your referral commission also. That I will discuss in any others video. If you have interest, then comment me. How you can collect both referral commission and your own commission. Okay, that's it. So I hope you enjoy the video. See you in next video, and please subscribe my channel if you're not yet. I will regularly post the online earning related video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.